Hello, welcome back to iAutoAgent. This is Greg, and right now we are very pleased to show you this 2013 Ford F-150 work truck. As you can see, I'm about 4 feet away, and there's certainly nothing that jumps out. This truck has been taken very, very nice care of. Has a little over 132,000 miles. And I will be showing you anything that's out of the ordinary for that amount of mileage. And there isn't much. So let's have a look inside. Door looks great. Same with this seat. Very nice. Little bit of a missing panel right there. Tiny little imperfection right there. So let's get a look at the odometer. It is a key start. And the engine is running in. 132,217 miles. That's 132,217. Stereo, climate controls, courtesy outlet. And I want to show you middle, which is a very nice shape. Little imperfection right down here. Looks very, very good. And we will take a trip around the truck to the passenger side. This door in very, very nice shape. Same with this seat. Looks very good. Little imperfection right there. I don't know if, yeah, you can see it. But looks great otherwise. Dashboard looks spectacular. Imperfection running right along here. We'll have a look at the bed. Very nice. Tailgate in great condition. And let's have a listen to the engine. Good and warm. All right. Sounds nice and strong. Nice and strong. Let's get out and have a listen and a look up close. real nice shape. Looks and sounds exactly like it should. And the heat shield on the inside of the hood is fully intact. Have a look at this radiator, which is very nice. In really good shape. And like I said, for the amount of miles on this vehicle, there is not much to make you aware of. Little cosmetic imperfections, real minor stuff. Obviously does not affect the operation of the vehicle whatsoever. Some real minor things. Things that you'd expect to see on a work truck. Again, just minor imperfections. Really minor. But we want you to be aware of them. And there you have it. If you would like to learn more about this 2013 Ford F-150 work truck, please visit us at iAutoAgent.com. Thank you.